In this video, I share the hottest side hustle in 2025. Stick with me till the end. You will discover the easy way to make more money with a super simple side hustle that anyone can do in just minutes a day. No special skills or experience are needed. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I guess I'm what you would call a full-time side hustler. I haven't worked a real job in over 20 years. And I do it not just for the money, but for the time freedom it creates too. See, I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at a traditional job. Hey, could you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about side hustles. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So a side hustle is just something you do to make more money. And there are all kinds of side hustles to choose from. Picking the one that's best for you can be challenging. You need to be aware that most side hustles take way too much time. See, there is no time leverage. The only way you can make more money is to put in more time. It's almost like taking on another job. I don't know about you, but that's definitely something I don't want to do. Remember, a good side hustle is not just about the money, but the time freedom too. You absolutely must find a side hustle that leverages your time. And that's one of the things I like best about this side hustle. It's a super affordable business that can be done all over the world. It's based on affiliate marketing, so there are no products to buy. You can make money without recruiting anyone. And when you team up with us, you will get our exclusive automated sales system to leverage your time and make more money. Plus, you will get excellent training and my personal mentoring and coaching. You'll never wonder about what to do next. That's one of the reasons many new people make money their very first day with us. We market a product that literally everyone wants. Seriously, everyone. It sells itself. You just let the system do the work. You can get paid every week by direct deposit and earn month after month passive income too. That's money that keeps coming in again and again for the sales that you make each day, and that's another big part of how we leverage our time. Again, this side hustle can be done in just a couple hours a week, and since it's all done online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, from wherever you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. That's one of the things I like best. You could be making money while doing something you really enjoy too. So, to learn more about the hottest side hustle in 2025 and to start making more money today, go to easymoneypath.com.